What if I told you two simple things already sitting in your home can completely change the way your tomato plants grow? Most gardeners focus only on fertilizers, but experienced growers know that healthy leaves and strong stems help tomatoes absorb nutrients much better. And when that happens, the fruits become larger, firmer, and more colorful naturally. Start this method just before heavy flowering and fruiting begins. First, take 1 liter of water and add a few drops of vinegar. Vinegar helps improve the plant's ability to absorb nutrients from the soil, while also supporting stronger stems and greener leaves. Mix it well, then spray the entire tomato plant, including the underside of the leaves, early in the morning or during the evening. After 2 hours, prepare the second spray. Take another 1 liter of water and add 1 spoon of baking soda. Baking soda helps reduce common fungal problems and keeps the leaves healthier, allowing smoother growth and fuller, more hydrated tomatoes. Spray it gently over the plant the same way. But here's the important part many gardeners forget. Never mix vinegar and baking soda together in the same container. They cancel each other out and the method becomes useless. Always use vinegar first, then baking soda later. This simple, low-cost routine can also be used on peppers, cucumbers, chilies, flowering plants, and many other garden plants for healthier growth and cleaner leaves. By harvest time, you'll notice stronger plants, steadier production, and tomatoes that look fuller and healthier. Try it once in your garden and watch the difference yourself. See you in the next gardening tip.